If you are planning to start an online business in 2025 but don't know where to begin, listen carefully. These three ideas are realistic, low cost, and full of opportunity. Point number one, personal branding and content creation service. Business now need strong online presence and not everyone knows how to create it. If you are good with social media, video editing or writing, start helping small brands grow their pages. If you can easily earn from Instagram, TikTok or Fiverr. Point number 2. Online store niche product. Pick one niche like kids product, home decor or fitness accessories. Use platforms like Shopify or WhatsApp Business and promote through TikTok and Instagram Reels. The key is good visuals and trust. Point number 3, Digital Skills Academy. If you know any skill like Canva design, video editing, or marketing, teach it. And 2025 people are paying to earn fast. Use YouTube, Zoom, or short paid courses. Remember, online success isn't about doing everything, it's about choosing one idea and being consistent. Which business are you thinking to start in 2025? Comment below.